Thousands of Fresno City employees are losing in-network care at community medical centers. This all comes after Blue Shield of California's contract with CRMC expired at the beginning of the month. Our Brianna Bias joins us live tonight from Fresno City Hall. And Brianna, how is this impacting local patients?
It's impacting thousands of patients, Sydney, and this story may sound familiar because just in the last few weeks, I've reported on Adventist healthcare contract with Sante expiring, CRMC's contract with Aetna expiring, and now CRMC's contract with Blue Shield of California expiring. The city of Fresno says these healthcare companies need to come to an agreement and fast. 5,000 Fresno City employees and their families are losing in-network coverage at a major local hospital.
It's all city employees and including retirees.
Fresno City employees received this letter at the end of January, letting them know that Blue Shield's contract with community medical centers would expire on February 1st. That's after CRMC says they gave the healthcare network a month extension at the beginning of the year.
People can still go to those hospitals and go to those doctors, but they are going to have to pay a much higher level out-of-pocket costs.
Now that the contract's expiration date has come and gone, Fresno City manager Georgianne White says thousands of people are impacted.
That could be anywhere from police officers, firefighters, bus drivers, solid waste drivers.
Patients do still have options, though.
For the city of Fresno, the other options are St. Agnes or Valley Children's and any doctor that is outside of the community plan.
CRMC sent us a statement Friday saying Blue Shield's offer for a new contract has not been enough to fairly reimburse their team members or cover their costs of care. But what do the city employees do if their primary care physician is at CRMC? In Blue Shield's statement, they remind patients they can file a continuity of care request to continue seeing their doctors if they're in active treatment. But White says this healthcare standoff has to end.
We are encouraging Blue Shield and community to come to resolution, and if they haven't by early March, when we have called a special board meeting, then we're going to have to talk about what some next steps could possibly be.
The city says they're doing their best to educate employees on all that's going on, but they say it's ultimately Blue Shield's responsibility to answer any follow-up questions and keep people updated. Live in downtown Fresno, I'm Brianna Bias, KC24, local news that matters.